Hello everybody. This will be your Module 7 introduction, and this is the week you'll be preparing and providing your presentations on your team cases that have been assigned. I sent an announcement already in advance of it, so you knew what you're supposed to be doing, but you want to refer to Attachment D for what the assignment is. I've already had a few questions from a few of you. My apologies. In the syllabus it talked about forming your own teams when actually I had signed you groups, and that is an error on my part. So I think it's best we stick with the groups that you're already assigned. That way nobody gets left out and there's no issues of which team they're assigned to. So work together with that team that you've been having the discussions, and that will be your team. Now these cases you're going to read in McNabb, they're not very long cases, but they are on point with certain issues and how things are handled, mostly at a federal level you'll see again. And some of the same terms you see come throughout the course. So take these and expand on these cases. Expand what that means in today's environment. Some of these cases are a couple of years old. What does that mean in your workplace? Come up with something creative. You can do a PowerPoint or a YouTube or something for a presentation. As in presentations are submitted, I will review them, but normally in the classroom setting you would be giving the presentation in front of the entire class. So I will between me and Larry, we'll make that available for the whole class to see the presentations on these different areas. Because again, we'll be tested on this kind of material as you go forward, and the presentations are a good way so I can judge collaboration between team members, ingenuity, do we understand the subject matter, and how does it relate to today. So let's make sure we do that. You'll be reading this for Module 7. Make sure you're into Chapter 7 in McNabb and the Denhart book, Chapter 12. And we have to start talking about technology systems that are available and how they're used in the workplace. We also want to review, there's an addendum I have on exemplary staff work that's written by Dr. Baker. It's outstanding, and I'd like you to read that because that exemplary staff work is kind of a key for you when you write staff reports or you do work in your city, county, or state. If you're a staff person directed to do that assignment, you want to do great work. You want to be known for doing very well. So there's a great paper, a journal article that Dr. Baker put together. I'd like you to look at that, and that is available for you. Also, we'll be discussing decision making. Probably one of the most critical things you'll do in your career as a public administrator is decision making. And there's many methods and ways you come about decisions as a leader, depending if you're going through transformational change in your organization, maybe an incremental change, or maybe it's just minor things that you're adjusting with your values, your mission. Things have changed legally. You've had to make some adjustments politically. So decision making is important because, as everybody knows, it's in the workplace. People that make good decisions usually do pretty well. If you don't make good decisions, or you're wishy-washy, that's not a technical term, about your decisions, and you go back and forth about something, there's a lot of confidence in that decision that's made, and it's not always supported. So you want to be confident in the decisions you make, but you want it with good background, and you want to get a lot of input from everybody. So there's a whole process on decision making. I want you to read through that and discuss it, and that'll probably be a discussing question that I will prompt you in this module to discuss on decision making. Okay, so that'll be it for Module 7, and as we move into the next couple of weeks, we're really starting to speed up, especially with our panel that's going to come in and speak to us, and we're going to do that on a Blackboard Collaborate. Larry's going to assist me on that, so that'll be a really good presentation also, and you have some papers you've had to turn in, the change essay, etc., and just remember to stick by the syllabus as far as format. I really would appreciate that. And again, as always, if you have any questions, please call me. I've provided my phone number. You have my email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.